Session 36, Angles in Quadrilaterals and Polygons. The four interior angles of every quadrilateral total 360 degrees. For any polygon with n sides, split it into n-2 triangles. Its interior angle sum is n-2 times 180 degrees. By the end, you'll find missing quadrilateral and polygon angles, calculate regular interior angles, solve algebraic angle problems, and check every total. A quadrilateral splits into two triangles, so its interior angles total 2 times 180 or 360 degrees. An n-sided polygon splits into n-2 triangles from one vertex, giving an interior sum of n-2 times 180 degrees. Polygon angle facts support design, construction, and tiling. Floor plans use quadrilaterals and other polygons whose corners must fit accurately. Regular tiles depend on interior angles to meet without gaps or overlaps. Frames and panels use polygon angles to control shape and alignment. Count the sides first because the number of sides chooses the correct interior angle total. For a regular polygon, divide the total by the number of equal angles. Add all final interior angles and compare with the polygon's expected sum. A quadrilateral has angles 80, 95, 110, and x degrees. The total is 360, so 80 plus 95 plus 110 plus x equals 360. The known angles total 285. Subtract from 360, giving x equals 75 degrees. A pentagon has 5 sides, so its interior sum is 5 minus 2 times 180. 3 times 180 is 540 degrees. If four angles are 100, 110, 120, and 95, the fifth is 540 minus 425, or 115 degrees. Find each interior angle of a regular hexagon. A hexagon's total is 6 minus 2 times 180, which is 720 degrees. All 6 angles are equal, so divide 720 by 6. Each interior angle is 120 degrees. Complete example. A quadrilateral has angles x plus 20, 90, and 110 degrees. Use the quadrilateral total. X plus 20 plus 90 plus 110 equals 360. Collect terms to get 2x plus 220 equals 360. So 2x is 140 and x is 70. The angles are 70, 90, 90, and 110 degrees. Their total is 360. Don't use 360 for every polygon. It is the interior total only for quadrilaterals. Don't divide by the number of sides unless the polygon is regular and all interior angles are equal. And count sides, not visible corners in a distorted sketch. The formula depends on n. Practice question 1. A quadrilateral has angles 85, 95, 100, and x degrees. Option A is 90. Option B is 70. Option C is 80. Option D is 180. Pause, add the known angles, and subtract from 360. Option C is correct. X equals 80 degrees. The known angles total 280. 360 minus 280 is 80. Practice question 2. What is the interior angle sum of a pentagon? Option A is 540 degrees. Option B is 360. Option C is 720. Option D is 900. Pause. Use n-2 triangles with n equal to 5. Option A is correct, 540 degrees. 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 times 180 is 540. Practice question 3. Find each interior angle of a regular octagon. Option A is 108. Option B is 120. Option C is 140. Option D is 135. Pause, find the octagon's total, then divide by 8 equal angles. Option D is correct. Each interior angle is 135 degrees. 8 minus 2 times 180 is 1080. Divide by 8 to get 135. Let's wrap up. Quadrilateral interior angles total 360 degrees. An n-sided polygon has interior sum n minus 2 times 180 degrees. For a regular polygon, divide the total by n and always check by adding the final angles. Keep going with Year 7 Maths at bridge2exam.com.